Alge. I wonder how many ops got done last summer from Obama. Yes, what a bummer. He should have turned back like his brother.
What is up, guys and girls? This is Glen here with my brother CT, training at home due to all this isolation situation. But I just wanted to get on and shoot a very quick tutorial because a couple people have requested for this specific technique. I know John Palmer has requested for this, and recently Alex McLellan. I hope I haven't got the names wrong there. But the technique they wanted to look at was the stutter switch side swing behind the back, which is what we worked on in the isolation video, which was just posted up. I probably should have posted this tutorial before that video, but the good news is you can look at this tutorial, master the technique, get it down, and then revisit that workout. So it's really a much simpler technique than it looks. The first step you want to do is work on doing the one-handed swing in front of the body. You need to get to a point where you can switch hands comfortably. You're not too fussed about, missing the rope and the rope flying out of your hands. That can tend to happen. You want to get to a point where it's very easy to just handle the rope right hand to left hand. After you're able to do that, pretty much with your eyes closed in front of the body, only then do you want to think about doing it behind the back. So, that's the first step, get that down. Second step, and this is the reason why for this technique you get a lot of tricep engagement. Did that workout in the last video, you would have felt that tricep burning, and it's because you need to start working on the plane behind the body. So when you're working with anything behind the body, you need to get your elbow behind that plane. That is the middle of the body. You can't work on switching the rope behind the back unless your elbow tucks right past that plane. That's the second step. Get comfortable tucking that elbow back behind that line that your body creates. Third step is the switch over. So very similar to how you're going to do it in front of the body. One hand open, the other hand claps down. Receive, give, receive, give. Receive, give. You're going to do that behind the back. This is the part that trips most people up. It's a bit confusing looking at how the transition happens, and I think to demonstrate this, just give me a sec. Alright, so if I take this rusty dumbbell bar here, when you're doing the transition in front of the body, what you're doing is switching like this, okay? The handle, switch, handle, switch. It's the same behind the body. So if I demonstrate, bang, 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 jump, 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 switch, jump, 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 switch, jump, 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 switch, jump, 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 switch, switch, jump, 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 switch. Okay? So that switch over you're going to do behind the back. The next step, fourth step, is timing the switch. You need to time it along with the timing of your rope touching the ground. So you're going to wait for that rope to tap the ground before you bring that arm out again. So after you've grabbed the rope handle, you open your hand out, ready to start jumping again on this side. And if you do the transition behind the back to the right, open that hand out. Okay, so from here, you're here, turn, pass. As you come out, turn again. Jump, 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 turn, pass, come out, jump again. So I've done that with the rope. You're jumping, turn, pass, open again. Turn, pass, open again. So if you're doing it at speed, it looks like that. That was the stutter switch. But you can always, like all of these techniques on this channel, take it to the next level. So you can do it without the stutter. The stutter is sort of entry level, so you understand the rhythm. But if you're doing it without the stutter and you're just switching behind the back, you maximize the burn on the triceps. So I'm going to demonstrate that real quick, probably go into that in further depth in a future video. So with the stutter, swing. Without the stutter,
Wait a second, there's the shoulder.
yeah. So with the stutter, swing, swing. Without the stutter, yeah, you feel it in the shoulder as well as the tricep. Oh, also, you can do that, of course, with a counterclockwise rotation. Be really careful with this because the rope is moving forwards. You don't want the rope to go flying. I'm quite wary this doesn't go flying over the ledge here, but I'll demonstrate that real quick as well. With a backwards rotation, you can hear switch, switch, switch. That's with the stutter. Without the stutter, a lot of work on that tricep muscle. So I'm hoping this helped out. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to check out this video. I'm pretty much going to get back to isolation training, do some push-ups and some other good stuff. But if you found this video helpful, you could just click off the video and go about your day like everything's hunky-dory. But of course that will break my heart, so I'd like you to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Drop me a comment down below letting me know how you get on. It's always happy days when I get to have a chat with you guys and talk about how you're getting on with your training. So until next time, all the best with your training, and isolation or no isolation, stay raging.
You must subscribe. If you don't, we have no videos. Subscribe to this video once again. Subscribe.
That's it. Thank you.
And subscribe for all the videos that we watch. If it's finished, we get more videos coming on.
Yep.
So subscribe to all of the videos that we watched. You must subscribe. Press the press button and then you will see all the different kind of buttons you want to press. You can press which one is your favorite one, then you can choose which one is your favorite one. You have to learn and you have to train so you can get big.
Yeah.
Subscribe!